Welcome to Lily Subscribe. You're welcome this Canadian Kitchens and Smash the Laptop. So today we've got a bunch of fidget toys. Okay, we've got this cat puppet. This over here. Got cat puppet. These are fidgety thing. This, I forgot what it's called. Pop. Slingies. Ooh, slingy. This one's got keyring. Well, you can jiggle it off keyring. Cool. We've got a unicorn puppet. We got this puppet. This one's new. We went to an arcade and got all of these. I like the purple and the blue. Look at the face. Next we have a pocket cupcake bag. Ooh, next we have this green leader. Snot. Ooh, snooty snot. We've got a fidgety band. Dancer. We've got this playful band. You can use it as a bracelet. You can band this one everywhere. Ow! And then we got a puppet bracelet. And then we have got this thing. Don't know what it's called, but there is a lot of it. So I'm gonna show you. Yeah, I've already showed them to you. So I'm just gonna pop this one back. This blue one up. So what should we do? Maybe, let's see if you've got any of the same fidgets as me. I'll show them all to you. Whoa. You probably got like this one. Probably got one of these, and one of these. And you might have one of these. Mostly you might have puppets, because puppets are the most common fidgets. Nah, can't be. Nah, that's too short. I like this one because you can just go like this and then it pops up, and then your finger's already there, so it pops down. Ooh, that hurt my fingers. I think it's so much time. Pop, 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 pop. It's a rainbow. So the ones I got at the arcade. So we got these ones at the arcade. We got these ones at the arcade. We got this one at the arcade. Got this one at the arcade. We got this one at the arcade. Oh, and this one at the arcade. And then we got all of these. Left. Hi guys. A lot of fidgets. So now I've showed them one by one. We're gonna pop this. The thing with the pop bag is if you're tempted to pop it, but there's things inside and very important things, and they might get squished. You have to open the bag and then you squish it even more to unpop these, and you'll be like, oh no, that's so important. So that's just the thing with puppet bags. But you can pop the top one. Okay, I like this one. Ooh. I'm a green monster with loads of snot. It's smart. Got all over me. That onto the floor. How? How far can it? How thin can it? You can get that thin. The first puppet I got was this one. I got one before it, but I don't know where it is. I can technically say I lost it. That was one Talia gave me for my birthday. Because can't have birthday parties. So I'm gonna bring all these fidgets back. I'm wondering what to do now. Okay, so we can do some virtual trading. So, what puppets would you like? What fidgets would you like? And then, if you say yes, go through the screen. And there's only one chance you can get it in the shops or the arcade, because it's already in the shops and the arcade. Okay, so let's go. This one. Most of you have already got that one. This one. Okay, that's gone through the screen now. But you've got to make a video and get it through your screen so I can get your fidget that you would like to trade. Quick, pause the video and see which one you would like to trade for these fidgets. Think for each one. Pause the video for each one. This one, what would you trade? Even if you don't like it, what would you trade? This. Okay, going through the screen.